Speedbird 1371, clear to Heathrow, Samba 1, runway departure, squawk 7247, new flight level 190.
We clear to Heathrow International Airport via Samba 1 Romeo departure and runway 23 right, squawk 7247 and flight level 190 for Speedbird 1371.
Speedbird 1371, be back direct to Fort Lauderdale, ready for us.
We report when ready for push and start for Speedbird 1371. Speedbird 1371 ready for push and start.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
Speedbird 1371, roger for position, contact ground 121-2855, bye.
121.705, thank you for Speedbird 1371. Manchester ground, hello, Speedbird 1371, ready for push and start.
Easy 1371, second.
Ready for pushback and start up from stand 43.
Speedbird 1371, squawk 7247.
1371, squawk set 7247.
A5, hold possession.
Roger.
Right, 1 by Juliet, Foxtrot Juliet, shelving. 1371, after the company A320, your passes, left right, stand for 3, pushing start 3, take back.
Release parking brakes.
Okay, after taxing your buses, we will joining you. Push and start approved for Speedbird of 1371.
Release parking brakes.
Easy 79 Lima, stand 5, pushing start 3, take south.
Push and start approved, face south. Easy 79 Lima.
Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Speedbird 1371, ready for taxi.
Speedbird 1371, taxi code with Mike 1, runway 23 right, fly Juliet, Foxtrot Juliet.
Taxi to hold point Mike 1, runway 23 right via Kilo, Foxtrot and Juliet for Speedbird 1371.
Easy 7 Lima ready for